Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Gabby's Moms again, and for today's vlog, ano kayong meron? And for today's vlog guys, as you can see, we are up so early because today, actually late in the afternoon, we are going to have a gender reveal. At the same time, it is a advanced birthday celebration of Larisse. So, as you can see, guys, everyone has their own task to do. And so, last night, actually, stayed to do all the balloons. This morning, ayan, nagde-decorate na kami. We woke up super early. I came here super early. And of course, the homemade catering services came early in the morning to set up the catering. Ayan guys, they have really good service for this event. Ayan, just call, or I will put the link down below for Just Homemade. Her name is Diana Ramirez. Okay, so if you guys interested, it is Filipino family business. Ayan, so just check the link down below and I'll put the link. Ayan, so we are so busy early in the morning. So much fun kasi this is also a bonding. So we didn't get decorator, but we did actually the decoration. It's just, ayan, tulong-tulong kami. Ayan, ang aga namin. Itong mga si Angelica and Yana, nag-sleep over na sila. Kasi nagawa pa sila ng balloon. I think we left around 11:20 and they stayed and sleep over. Ayan, so yung tatlong part dyan, na-rent lang. Pero kami na naglagay ng mga pangapangalan. Tapos syempre yung decoration, ayan, DIY lang kasi alam niyo na, medyo pricey dito. Kaya ano na lang, tulong-tulong na lang kami. Ayan yung ginawa namin. So, mainit. And of course, Ajam, thank you so much. Ayan, hindi pa ready ang aming buntis. And, syempre, ayan, I think this one is in the afternoon. Diniliver na yung food, kaya nakaganyan pa siya, nakastack lang siya sa table. At mamaya, guys, ilalagyan na natin siya sa tamang lagayan. And of course, meron din kaming dalawang server.
More food
mamaya dun sa labas. Pero wala pa sila. Nilagay lang yung food dyan. Mamaya ililipat na lang natin. And this is what it is. This is the gender reveal decoration that we made. So, ano pa bang ganap? Ayan, medyo mapagod pala ang dami namin. Pero mabilis lang kasi guys. Basta, tulong-tulong kami dyan. And of course, ang aming host ay nagre-ready na para sa game niya mamaya. Yan yung itsura niya. Nalagyan na rin ng balloons outside and other decorations that has been planned. Ayan. Medyo mahangin. At least hindi super mainit na mainit. Kung hindi, siguradong putok lahat ng balloons natin for today's video. Ayan. Ano pa bang ganap? Ayan, wala lang. Dami namin balloons, so nakakatuwa kung anong ginawa namin. Busy talaga, lalo na to si Buntis. Very energetic. Dahil ako nga, wala namang laman yung tiyan ko kung hindi pagkain. Talagang pagod na ako. At ayan, dyan ang ating food. Kinover lang natin kasi may mga bisitang langaw-langaw. And of course, si Kuya Arnel ang naglagay niya kasi siyang matangkad yung mga decor natin dyan. And of course, si Mama Mia. It's me! And of course, we already transferred all the food and we got the lechon from Alan's Lechon. Look at that. That's the homemade food services. Very good. Ayan. So, we already transfer all the food kasi nakalagay na siya. Transfer mo na lang. Then, you have to turn on the heat. Ayan. And of course, we have two server. Actually, one of the server is the son of the owner. I forgot the other guy, but thank you so much. They are very helpful, guys, during the dinner time. So it's recommended, guys. You can have, I'm not sure how, but I know you can have two server, just to help to get some food. So your guest is not going to go around and around. So thank you guys so much. Mega love shout out to you both. Thank you for the service. And that's our food for our dinner last time. Ayan, meron silang pa-flowers. Isn't it cutie? Ayan. And of course, meron pa nga pala tayo dito guys kasi si Dayan is mommy ni Dior. Ayan, one of the famous real kid. Ayan, i-attach ko siya dyan later after nito. Ayan, napakabibong bata. Nakakatuwa talaga siya. Very, very cute. At medyo makulit siya pero napaka-cute at very respectful na bata. So guys, Dior, ayan. Ilalagay ko din siya sa link. Baka gusto niyo yung i-visit ang aming napakabibong si Dior. Para mamaya, ayan ang ating mga dessert. Hindi ko alam kung saan nila binili yan guys, but definitely that's the dessert that we had. Delicious! Who's in the house? Who's that? Dior and? Oh. Nagbi-business si Dior. Chef and she's a model like you. Come on, Ate Sheila, say hi. Come on, Dior. Careful, honey. Dior. That one is from Just Homemade, guys. If interested, contact the number. I will put the link down below.
I'm overexcited. I'm gonna be a grandma!
Where's the jar girl? Jar girl?
$10 million po to. So, lagay niyo po yung team niyo po doon. At saka po, meron pa po chair. Feel at home po. So, magigames muna po tayo. Ready na po ba kayo? Parang walang buhay.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes!
One more. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. So, ang una po.
Ano siya sa boy siya?
Ano po? 3 and 3 po.
3 at 3 pala. Dito yung gosh! Or something? Ganun ba?
gender reveal. Now we first should bless the baby. The baby should always be healthy, and we should always pray for Ate Lares for her delivery to be safe. We also want to thank the Lord for the food that we are about to receive. And also, we want to thank all the guests, family and friends to come here and celebrate with Ate Lares and Kuya Kevin's baby's gender reveal. Amen.
Hindi ko ito i-recommend. I cannot recommend this.
I just want to say thank you for everybody who come and celebrate this day with us today. And it's not only gender reveal, it's also Luris' birthday. So please join us to sing happy birthday. And we love you so much. We don't want you to cry, but yeah, we love you very much. We cannot wait to find out what the baby will be. Okay?
Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday to you.
Oh! Sila kambal! Ay! Sila kambal!
Day 2.
Let's start the countdown.
Pawis ang kamay ko!
Para si ate hindi niya alam. Alam mo tayo? 2!
2!
Pag may go na!
1!
Ay, wizard ka!
Bigla na lang.
2! Sa go ha?
Adi, Adi! Adi, si Barnett! Ganun na lang!
2! 3! 2!
Yung mga blue!
And thank you guys so much for watching. Congratulations to Loris and Kevin for having a baby girl. And of course, thank you family and friends who joined us for today's gender reveal. And of course, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time. We love you all. Take care. Mwah!